Hey everyone, so if Google Translate has no sound, like it's not speaking translations or the speaker button does nothing, yeah, that's really annoying. But don't worry, I'll show you exactly how to fix it step by step. First, check your volume. Make sure your phone isn't on silent or do not disturb mode. Also, increase media volume specifically because that controls translation audio. Next, check your audio output. If you're connected to Bluetooth headphones or a speaker, the sound might be going there instead of your phone. Now, make sure you're actually tapping the speaker icon after translation. Sometimes people miss it or tap too quickly and nothing seems to happen. Okay, this one is important. Your device's text to speech system. If it's disabled or broken, Google Translate won't produce any sound. Next, close Google Translate completely and reopen it. This fixes temporary glitches that can stop audio from playing. If it still doesn't work, check for updates, and if nothing changes, reinstall the app. I mean, this usually fixes deeper issues pretty quickly, and that's it. One of these fixes should bring the sound back in Google Translate. If it still doesn't work, it might be a temporary bug or system issue, so try again later.